Hey, easy. I got some food for you. Hey guys, it's about 5 degrees below zero today. So every morning I'm coming over, I feed the calves, and I'm also feeding our 2- and 3-year-old cows. And then my dad and grandpa are feeding the heifers and the rest of the cows. But yeah, if it's -5 this morning, it was probably -10, -15 last night. And as a lot of you know, we don't have a shed to park our tractors in during the night. So it can get pretty tough to start them in the mornings, just because the tractors get so cold. So, you know, they can kind of get gelled up. There's wax and diesel, so if it gets too cold, the wax kind of gets hard and makes it really hard to get the tractors started and running. And our tractors do have mixed diesel in them, mixed 1 and 2, so that makes it a little easier to start them. But yeah, I want to get those tractors started right away so I can feed the calves. And so I can go over and feed the cows too. I'll probably feed them a little extra today, since it is so cold. But you can see, yeah, these calves, they're ready to get some food. Let's see if I can get these tractors started. We've been plugging them in, plugging the black heaters in when it gets cold like this. It's pretty important we keep the black heaters plugged in overnight when we have these tractors just sitting here, but I'm gonna say that one isn't gonna start, so I have to warm it up somehow. We'll see about the 6750. That is not gonna go. I'm gonna do first, put some starting fluid in the intake here. Get up there. Go. Hey! At least we can get one started. That's always a good start, but let this baby run a little bit. Now to get the 6140 started, we've got this Nipco heater over here. I think I'm gonna start that up. Get it blowing in on the engine. I'll drape a tarp over the engine probably, and just kind of create a little, I don't know, just so I can keep the hot air kind of trapped around the engine and hopefully thaw it out a little bit. The diesel might be gelled up a little bit. I know it's mixed, so it's a mix of diesel 1 and 2, but that usually helps. This will work. I put that tarp over. I want to try and keep as much air, hot air in there as I can, so I really don't want much escaping. And, let's see. It's nice and warm under here. Maybe I'll just crawl under there and hang out too. I've had the heater on the tractor going for a little while now, so I think I'm ready to give it a try, see if the tractor's gonna start any better. Nothing. Dang. The battery sounded a little weak, so I'm gonna throw this charger thing on it. I think for me, just trying so many times, it's kind of made the battery a little weak. So I'll throw this charger on there and hopefully that's gonna help, because it feels real nice and warm under there. But I don't know. We'll see. All you can do is try, I guess, right? Try that, I guess. I'll get you girls some food soon. Kind of going, but it's pretty weak. She's picking up. We got her. That feels good. All right, let her warm up, get this feeder wagon going, get some cows fed. This feels pretty good. Better. I got the calves all fed, so now I'm gonna go feed the cows. These are our 2-year-old cows. We keep them separate from our older cows just because 2-year-olds are still growing. They're a little smaller than our older cows, so we keep them separate so they don't have to compete for food. Otherwise, the bigger cows would probably just push these 2-year-olds around, and they might not get as much food as they need. So that's why we keep them separate. It seems to work pretty good. I've always wondered, what other job do you have the ladies just come running to you, just flocking you? It's pretty nice, I've got to say. These cows are the 3- and 4-year-olds, I believe. I'm going to give them about the same amount. My dad went around and gave each group a bale already. Turn the PTO off. Stop these both. And it should be good. Hey, come say hi. Come on. You can get up, you fat lazy horses. Hey Buck. How you doing, buddy? Hey Durkee. How you been? Hey Trump. You look good. Oh, it's just me. Yeah, sniff me up. Yeah. Hey buddy, Ranger. Alright guys, I gotta go feed the bulls. I'll see you later. Eat your hay up. You look a little skinny. So I've got to go feed the bulls too and check the water. Probably chop some ice. I bet it's frozen, but yeah, I'm gonna run up there quick and then we'll be done feeding for the day and time to start feeding again tomorrow. Come on. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Hey, easy. I got some food for you. Yeah, I know you're ready. Hey, quit. Knock it off. All right, guys, eat up. I'm out of here. Lastly, I'm gonna check the water real quick. I'm sure it's iced over, so chop it off, get a good open spot for the bulls, and then we'll be good. Sure enough, froze over. It's probably pretty thick too. It's probably 2 inches of ice or so. Oh, maybe more, maybe 3 or 4. All right, that should do it. Well, I think this is where I'm going to end the video, so thank you guys for coming along. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.